Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Khan Rumana from Department of Zoology, J.A.T. Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. Dear students, I heartily welcome you in my video lecture. Today my topic is amoeba. First we see the classification of amoeba. As you know that amoeba belongs to the phylum Protozoa because amoeba is microscopic and acellular animal. Hence, amoeba kept in phylum Protozoa. Its class is Rhizopoda because of amoeba having large number of finger-like projections which are called as a pseudopodia, and pseudopodia are locomotory organs, and the protozoan which having pseudopodia for locomotion. All such protozoans are kept in class Rhizopoda. Its order is Amoebida because body of the amoeba is naked. It means that without pellicle. Pellicle is not present. Its family is Amoebidae because body of the amoeba is naked and produce many finger-like projections which is called as a pseudopodia. Its genus is Amoeba, species is Protius. Now, figure में आप देख सकते हो, shape of the amoeba is not constant because of the presence of the pseudopodia. Pseudopodia are constantly form and withdraw. Such finger-like projections which are seen in the figure is called as a pseudopodia, which are locomotory organs. Whole body of amoeba is filled with granular cytoplasm. Figure में आप देख सकते हो, cytoplasm is differentiated into outer ectoplasm and inner endoplasm. Cytoplasm or endoplasm contain centrally placed large nucleus. Various food vacuoles are also present in the cytoplasm. Single large contractile vacuole is also present, which is the organ of osmoregulation. Whole body of amoeba is surrounded by a thin membrane which is called as a plasma membrane. Now, amoeba is single-celled organisms. Mostly amoeba found in fresh water. Some species of the amoeba live as a parasitic life inside the body of their host. Amoeba is a small microscopic animalculae. They move with the help of finger-like projections called pseudopodia. As you know that cytoplasm is differentiated into outer ectoplasm and inner endoplasm. Amoeba are eukaryotes whose bodies most often consist of single cell. Eukaryote means amoeba having well-developed nucleus with nuclear membrane. Now, the cytoplasm and cellular contents are enclosed within a cell membrane which is called as a plasma membrane. The genetic material or DNA of amoeba is packaged into central cellular compartment which is called as a nucleus. Nucleus also having the nuclear membrane, and inside the nuclear membrane DNA or genetic materials are always present. Now, the endoplasm contain food vacuoles, nucleus, contractile vacuoles, etc. In case of amoeba, nutrition is holozoic, means completely animal-like nutrition होता है. Reproduction takes place by binary fission or multifission. Some species of the amoeba are parasitic or infectious to man. For example, Ant Amoeba histolytica which is the parasite of man. Entamoeba histolytica live in the intestine of the man, and they are responsible for causing a disease which is called as a amoebic dysentery. Besides this, mostly genus Amoeba, they live or found in stagnant or fresh water. This is about the general characteristics of amoeba. Thank you.